Yo, what is going on, guys? It is Bender Cartoon 91 here, and today I have another keyboard build. I know I just built the Mode 80, which was a very cool keyboard, but I think I might have one a little bit cooler. Not only is it also very expensive, this whole build is around $700 US, but it's also a keyboard that I've been waiting for just over a year. So I ordered this about May 5th of 2020, and I got it May 6th of 2021. And I'm recording it May 7th, I think. So it's been just over a year, and I finally got this board in. If you guys don't know, it's a 7V. That's a box right there. So this is 75% by Gawk, and I bought it through Novelkeys, and I can't wait to build this board. I got it in gray, and it's gonna go with GMK Modern Dolch 2. Once that ships, it hasn't shipped yet, so I'm using 8008. But it's still gonna look really cool because it's gray, and yeah, this board is gonna be awesome. So yeah, let's get right on into the build. Alright guys, so here it is. This is a 7V. Comes in this very nice box. I have already opened it, but I put everything back so that we could do this unboxing yet again. So right away, we got some foam. We got the polycarbonate plate, so it's gonna be very flexy. Very nice soft build. We got, I don't know what that is. We got some screws, and we got some feet. So set these aside, and then underneath that we have the PCB, a daughter board again, so another cool build. Yeah, here is the PCB in a navy blue color. Looks really cool. And then under this we have the board itself. So let's pull this thing on out. Oh man. So it does come in this white cloth wrap, which is really nice. Nice little microfiber cloth. Here's the board. So we're gonna open this on up and we're gonna pull it out. Oh man, here it is. So 7V, top right corner, looks really good. And then the back weight, very nice. Look at that reflection. So yeah, this is gonna be awesome to build. Let's get right on into the build. Alright guys, so the next step is we are going to be testing this PCB. Make sure it's working. So plugged it in, got it all connected to VIA, and now we are going to touch each pin with this pair of tweezers, and that is how we're gonna be testing the PCB. So yeah, let's get a quick time lapse of that. Alright guys, so it is all good. I tested it, everything works out well. So now we're gonna go and lube up some stabs. Alright guys, so I did these stabs, I tested them, they're sounding good. I put the rest of the switches in, and now it is time to solder. So we are gonna get to soldering. These are Alpaca V2s, lubed and filmed. So yeah, let's solder this thing on up. Yeah, let's get on to soldering. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is all soldered up now. We are all good. I tested it, it is all working. I didn't mess it up, luckily. So now we're gonna put together this board. Let's get right on into it. Alright guys, so here is the finished product without the keycaps. As you guys can see, this will have Moto 2, so got the stabs matched. These are C3 stabs, Alpaca V2s, lubed and filmed, and 7V with a polycarb plate. So yeah, now we're gonna start putting on these keycaps, and yeah, we'll see how this thing sounds. Alright guys, so it has been a long time. I think it's been around like 2 weeks at this point. So what happened is I finished building it, and then finals came up, and I just focused on finals, put all my effort towards that. So I'm officially on summer vacation, so now I have more time to focus on this. Alright, so since I left you guys off on a little cliffhanger, let's get right on into the sound test to see how this new board sounds. And not gonna lie, it sounds really good. So yeah, let's get right on into that. Alright guys, so overall, I definitely enjoy this keyboard. It is a very nice build and I definitely like it, but there are a couple issues I have with the board. Just in general, I'm normally a fan of like an aluminum or brass plate or something more hard with a stiff bottom out. But in this case, I chose polycarbonate and it is a little bit too flexible for me. So I like to flex when typing down, but then it springs back up a little bit too quick, as in the name. It is a leaf spring mount board, but it is just a little bit too much for me. So maybe I'll try and pick up an aluminum plate in extras or in the aftermarket or something like that. But yeah, overall I definitely like this board and I think it sounded really good. I built it with Alpaca V2s. You can't go wrong with those. Super smooth, super high pitch though, which for me, luckily I enjoy that. Also, halfway through filming, this might look super different because this is a new lens. Before filming the sound test, my tripod tipped over and my lens broke. Luckily, it was a kit lens, so it led me to get this lens. This is a Sigma 16mm 1.4 lens. And I do need a zoom lens because it's kind of a pain in order to not have a zoom. But you know, we'll get through it. We'll get to it. Hopefully, we can get a zoom lens eventually. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button, hit that sub button, comment down below, all that good stuff. So yeah, stay safe. Peace.